Regulatory technology platforms versus legal regulatory advisors. Which one is better for financial services compliance? Most financial institutions struggle to decide whether to rely on reg platforms or traditional legal advisors to stay compliant. The surprising truth is that both have strengths, but the right choice depends on your goal scale and risk appetite. Regulatory technology platforms or reg use software to automate compliance monitoring, reporting, and risk assessment. Imagine a bank operating in multiple jurisdictions. A reg platform can automatically track changes in rules, flag potential breaches, and generate compliance reports in real time. This reduces manual effort, improves speed, and minimizes human error. For organizations with high-volume transactions, reg can save millions in operational costs while maintaining continuous regulatory oversight. Legal regulatory advisors, on the other hand, provide expert interpretation and strategic guidance. They help institutions navigate complex or ambiguous rules, draft policies, and advise on high-stakes decisions. For example, when a financial firm considers launching a new product subject to multiple regulators, advisors can evaluate legal risks, ensure documentation is sound, and defend decisions if challenged. Their value is particularly high for bespoke or high-risk compliance matters that software alone cannot resolve. The key difference is automation versus strategic insight. Reg excels at continuous monitoring, efficiency, and scalability, making it ideal for routine compliance tasks. Legal advisors offer human judgment, nuanced interpretation, and strategic guidance, crucial for complex or unprecedented scenarios. Many organizations combine both, using reg to handle day-to-day compliance and legal advisors for risk assessment, regulatory engagement, and policy decisions. The takeaway is clear: for robust financial services compliance, technology and expert advice are complementary. The surprising truth is that relying solely on one can leave gaps. Software cannot replace judgment, and advisors cannot process thousands of transactions instantly. By integrating reg platforms with legal advisory support, institutions can stay compliant, reduce operational risk, and make informed strategic decisions.